Alright, so guys, this is a very quick tip how to save image from compositing mode. As you can see, there is no button to save this image. If I go to image editor window, you always get this window after rendering a final image. So there is image and save as setting. Alright, so I just added to the scene glare mode, so I wanted to expose my lighting in this. That's why I opened compositing mode. But let's go back to image editor mode. Alright, so if I change render result to beaver node, as you can see, I just got a new result of final image, and I want to save this exactly image, so I go to image, save as, and let's save as image. Click on that, and if I go to my folder, as you can see, I have this image from compositing mode. So thank you for watching. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button.